This is Shaki Meat, Nigerian Shaki Meat. The English name for Shaki is tripe. Some people call it honeycomb tripe, other people call it beef tripe. And in this recipe, I'll share with you how to cook tripe. So the first thing I will do is to pour some water into the pot to get the tripe ready for cleaning. As this video continues, so I'll be sharing with you what tripe tastes like and how long to cook tripe to get that lovely delicious taste that you will love. Another thing with tripe is it is such a lovely ingredient to add to a wide variety of Nigerian soups and dishes. Now let me tell you this, you can add tripe to egusi soup and your soup will taste so lovely and so nice. You can also use tripe to cook assorted meat pepper soup. You can use tripe to cook ogbono soup. You can use tripe to cook oha soup. You can use tripe to make stew and it will be so lovely. As you can see, this tripe has already been pre-cleaned. I'm cleaning it again so you can see what your cleaned tripe should look like. After cleaning the tripe, I'll pour everything back into my pot and I'll place the pot on my cooker. Now I'll proceed to add some sliced garlic. I need garlic for this recipe because it will help me soften the tripe fast. I'll also be adding some onions to this. After adding onions, I'll proceed to add some salt. Now, if you've watched this video to this point, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and of course, subscribe to this channel. Thank you. After adding salt, I'll crush some seasoning cubes into the pot, and then I'll proceed to also add mixed herbs. These mixed herbs contain basil, thyme, parsley, and I think marjoram and oregano. Now it's time to add some curry powder. I would also be adding some ginger powder to give it a lovely taste and flavor. Next is I would add 3 cups of water. So here is one thing about tripe. Tripe takes a long time to cook. By cook, I mean it takes a long time to soften properly, and I have to say, by my own taste, the softer the tripe, the more delicious it is. The softer the tripe, the more enticing and sumptuous it is when you cook it with other ingredients, like when you use it to make stew, use it to make egusi and things like that. When your tripe is very soft, those other ingredients, those other soup ingredients finds a way to enter the tripe very well and makes it delicious. Now I'm mixing it very well, and then I'll cover and I will cook my tripe for 40 minutes. Yes, that is how long it takes to cook tripe to get a very soft and succulent tripe meat. This is what it looks like after 15 minutes. Yes, you can see that I still have a lot of liquid in it, but not to worry, I'll still cover this again and I'll allow it to cook for extra 30 minutes. I am cooking my tripe on high heat. Yes, for extra 30 minutes on high heat. Now after 30 minutes, let me show you what the tripe looks like. Take a look at my tripe. This is lovely, this is delicious, this is sumptuous and nice. If you've not liked this video yet, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. I always appreciate everything you do for me, and if you're new on this channel, welcome. On this channel, I post amazing Nigerian food cooking videos. If you're interested in Nigerian dishes and how to prepare them, you're in the right place. As I would always say, good food should be enjoyed always. I look forward to sharing more of my recipes with you. Bye.